If all you have at home is cheap, thin copy paper, there's no problem. You'll be able to draw a realistic portrait on it just as well as on thicker drawing paper. You just need 1-2 tips and tricks to get it right. Sometimes I change my concept in the process of drawing. There are also times when I just want to draw a sketch, a really quick sketch to maybe design or study something, or to make a tutorial video for you. But sometimes, while I'm drawing, I forget myself, or I decide that I do want to elaborate on this sketch, draw it more realistically, or shade it. Then sometimes it ends up being a really realistic portrait. But then you have to pay attention to these things because the paper is very thin. I say it a lot in my videos, but it's especially true when drawing on cheap, thin paper. Start with a light sketch of the basic shapes of the head and features. Very, very lightly, and gradually build up the shadows and dark areas on top of this lighter base. A light touch with a kneaded eraser can help remove mistakes and unwanted marks. Be gentle, as heavy erasing can damage the surface. Apply several light layers instead of one dark layer at a time. This gives you more control and avoids spotches or tearing the paper. A dull pencil creates muddy tones. Keep your pencil sharp for clean and crisp lines, especially in the eyes and facial features, and also in drawing hair. To achieve smooth transitions, invest a lot of time in blending. Use a blending stump or even a clean tissue to gently soften harsh lines and create a more natural look.